tolerate it. ऐसा क्यों होता है? हम लोग you also know that. From Molesna, how far are you from here?
I chase them.
How far are you?
I chase them. So that's why I stop them someday. But they don't follow my
By
rules.
knowingly you all doing such type of things.
No.
Huh?
You ask.
How you cannot control your people? As a in
You
charge,
ask them.
You have the capacity to take over them.
You ask them. I obstruct them. Then you will run away.
No.
Hit and run away. Then what do you do with them?
You have to completely. You have to give advice to them. Huh?
I've already advised them.
How advise them? You cannot
That's
take
why
control to him, huh?
That's why. How many of them? See, you just
Otherwise, if
hundreds.
who will take the in charge? Who will take the
You ask for me.
Suppose incident happens, if incident occurs, who will take the responsibility? Who will take the responsibility? Who will take the case?
I informed all my higher authorities.
You as a IC Molesna or I'm as a IC of Lukunsi will take the risk, huh? But you cannot control your own
So
people.
why are you insulting me?
Why not?
Why are you
You don't
insulting
have
me?
capable. You don't have capable of taking in charge.
This depends upon
You
the
don't have
government.
capable of taking in charge of Molesna IC.
It depends upon the
You
government.
don't have capable. You don't have capable of taking in charge. You cannot control your own people.
Yeah! Well.
How far you can cross this border? How far you can cross?
I changed
Have
them.
you realized this? Have you realized this? You just see left and right. Everyone you just towards it.
That's why
It is all problem.
I asked them to go back. That's why I asked them.